Today I'm in Northern Oregon, just off Highway 30 across from Longview, Washington, and I'm here to ride one of my very favorite roads. It's a perfect early season day to ride this fantastic, fast and flowing ribbon of tarmac. Connecting Highway 30 and Highway 47, Apiary Road is 20 miles of bliss. The road service is mostly excellent, and curve after curve after curve, this road just gets better and better. Starting on Highway 30 heading west, you take the left-hander at the top of the hill. Leaving behind the hassle and stress of city driving, these country roads are just what the doctor ordered. This first short connecting road takes you past the cemetery and down the hill to intersect with Apiary. Turn right at the stop sign, and you make your way along this short stint before the real fun begins. You'll need to veer left to stay on Apiary, and immediately you know that you're in for a real treat. But do yourself a favor. If you find yourself behind some cars, pull over for a couple of minutes, because Apiary wastes no time at all before throwing some amazing curves at you, and you don't want to waste it stuck in traffic. Apiary Road may not have any sweeping vistas or views of snow-covered mountains, but what it does have is an abundance of great curves and sun-dappled, tree-lined straights that draws you into its wonderful charm. I promise you that if you come and ride Apiary Road, you won't be disappointed. And no matter what kind of riding you're into, whether it's cruising or something a little more spirited, Apiary Road is the perfect place for an amazing time. You don't need any special equipment or endless planning. Pick a bike, pick a day, and get out and ride.